Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So over the years, I may have said this. I always try to encourage my wife and I try to encourage our kids, as they're getting into jobs and into the workforce to, just do the basic things the best you can. Do them right, meaning be polite, call everyone back that gives you a call that you need to reach. If an email comes in and it applies to you, respond to them. Do the basic things that, seem basic but are important. Well, we have the same kind of processes here in our software company. We try to not only have a software where folks can come in and it's very user friendly, but we reach out by email. We actually try to reach out by calling to welcome the new person to our company. If someone has an email question or they call in about a problem they're having or they didn't understand something, we call everybody. We return we respond to emails and calls when folks have questions about something they need to learn about the software. Why is this important? Why am I saying this? Because same thing in a cleaning business, right? You try to do this kind of thing, it's important. The reason it came up this week is we have a new member that just came on, and they said to Matt in our office that the reason they went with us was because they noticed in the comments, we put out lots of videos and training and all kinds of things. And also, of course, you can do app reviews. And in one of them, they noticed the person had a problem or was criticizing, but we actually responded to their criticism. So we have lots of nice ones, which is great. And so those are fun to respond to and say thanks. But even the ones where someone didn't like something or how it worked or had a suggestion, we try to respond to each one of those. And the person appreciated that we personally took the time to respond to every one of them, not just the ones that are nice to respond to because there may be a compliment. Well, it's something to remember. So in a cleaning business, when we try to take care of every complaint, follow up, return every customer service call, reach out to make the customer service calls, the nuts and bolts, the brick by brick growing of relationship, it isn't always fancy things. It's often these small steps every day. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You can do it.